Hello kids, welcome to Kiddos TV. Today we are going to learn A to Z. We will be writing from here to here. We will be tracing all these letters with different colors. Let us get started with the color names. This is brown color. This is black color. This is light green color. This is dark pink color. This is dark green color. This is purple color. This is orange color. This is light blue color. This is dark blue color. This is yellow color. This is red color. Let us get started. We will start tracing all these letters and we will see the picture in this box. This is A. A for apple. A. A for apple. This is B. B for bat. B for bat. This is C. C for cat. C for cat. This is D. D for dog. D for dog. E. E for elephant. E for elephant. F. F for fish. F for fish. G. G for giraffe. G for giraffe. H. H for hen. H for hen. I. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. J. J for jug. J for jug. K. K for kite. K for kite. L. L for lion. L for lion. M. M for monkey. M for monkey. N. N for nest. N for nest. O. O for owl. O for owl. P. P for parrot. P for parrot. Q. Q for queen. Q for queen. R. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. S. S for sun. S for sun. T. T for tiger. T for tiger. U. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. V. V for van. V for van. W. W for watermelon. W for watermelon. X for xylophone. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra. Kids, I hope you like coloring all these letters. Thank you for watching this. Do like and subscribe. Bye bye.